Longines Small Seconds mechanical men's pocket watch with stand and original box. Made in Switzerland, rare vintage, men's pocket mechanical Longines watch with stand and original box is a vintage wristwatch, presumably produced by Longines in the first half of the 20th century, possibly between the 1900s and 1940s. A gold-plated, elegant pocket watch with 3 hands in an elegant classic style. It is a hand-wound watch with a white enamel, or imitation enamel, dial with Roman numerals. Small seconds dial at 6 o'clock. Classic Breguet-style hands in black. The inscription on the dial, Swiss-made, indicates Swiss origin. Braided lace with a tassel in brown color adds a vintage charm to the watch. Excellent original working condition, with minor signs of use. The watch has a beautiful design characteristic of the era, and would be a great addition to a collection, or a stylish accessory for everyday use. The original Swiss movement ensures the reliability and accuracy of the watch, and the hand winding adds a special retro charm. To buy a Longines watch, visit the website, watchlegend.com.